Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what you can do if you are able to adopt a cat, but the ones in the pet store aren't the ones to your liking. So you're just going to wait for the next day, unfortunately, to see if there is a cat that you want to adopt or a dog. But yeah, that's just how the system works. If there's nothing you like in the store right now you're just going to have to wait for the next day. It's just easier that way rather than rehoming the kitten you have that you don't really want. I know some people are mad about that, but this is just a game. Obviously, don't do this in real life. I don't know. But yeah, that's pretty much it really. If you don't like the cat that's in the store, just wait another day to adopt a different one. So that's what I'm doing right now. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.